Okay, so the market's been a little goofy over the last couple of months due to fear of tariffs and everything like that and inflation. I'm starting to recover a little bit here. I'm up about 8.5% over the last month. That's mostly due to AMD. I ended up selling my shares of Google, which are actually up today. Perfect timing on that. I've basically just been selling calls on AMD, and I've been rolling them to kind of keep up with them. So my average cost, as you can see here, is $98.87. AMD is currently at 118 today. It kind of jumped up a bit today. You can take a look at my history here. The last couple of things I've done is I had bought 20 shares at 102.50, and then I sold them today at 120.86. So just under a $400 gain on that one. I've been selling some calls there and rolling them. As you can see, I won't go through all of these, but I've been trying to pick up about 1% a week on those trades if I can, which currently I cannot continue anymore. So this covered call expires this week on Friday, and my max gain on this is going to be 107.25. So I'm going to miss out a little bit on that, but I'm okay with the trade because I did buy them down at 98. And then I have another one over here. It expires in a couple of weeks. Its max gain on this is about 107.45, so pretty similar. But I've got a couple more weeks to go on this one before it expires, and I can get that capital back to sell some more covered calls or sell some puts. I basically can't roll these up anymore for a 1% profit unless AMD comes down a little bit. So I'm kind of stuck on those, letting those go. So I am still underperforming SPY, however. So I am overperforming AMD and Google stock whenever you look at those over the last 3 months and year to date. But looking at SPY, I'm down about SPY is down about 3.74% over the last 3 months, and year to date it's flat. So I am underperforming on that, but I am catching back up quickly. My next thoughts are I was going to roll with Google, but kind of tired of the low premiums on that. And honestly, it's probably going to go back up to $1 billion, but I don't really want to mess with it. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a whole bunch of QQQ and run about 40% leverage or 50% leverage and sell covered calls on that. Kind of see how that goes for a little bit.